Okay, so I'm Tristan Vergonzales, the Country Product Manager for ROG Desktops. This is our newest member of the ROG Desktops family. So this is the ROG Huracan G21. It's one of the most awaited ROG desktop here in the Philippines, especially that we've been hearing a lot of feedbacks prior to this model. So those feedbacks, those suggestions, we've taken everything into consideration and answered and tried to provide the best product we could deliver to the end users. So we have two variants here in the Philippines. One is the GTX 1080 8GB variant, which will come with i7 8th generation processor plus 1TB plus 512GB SSD with 16GB of RAM, which will retail for $139,995. While we have another version, the 1070 version, with the same set of specs, but it only comes in 1TB plus 256GB SSD, which will retail for $119,995. So aside from the built-in 1TB plus 512GB SSD, you can actually upgrade those both. You can upgrade your 1TB, your 512GB SSD, and aside from that, you still have the 2.5 hot swappable tray on top, so you can still have your SSD. Another 2.5 drive on the side panel, so you can have total of 3 memories inside. You can upgrade the RAM, and here's the exciting part. You can actually upgrade as long as the components is compatible, the measurements of the components you'll be using is compatible, you can upgrade the GPU. The design of the side panel opening, first it gives AuraSync a platform to show itself. So aside from the AuraSync here, the Rgb lighting in the front, you'll have a chance to show that same light show that you can see on the front on the side panels also. But what's more important is that once you open that side panel, the RGB is synced with the Rgb lighting in all your ROG components, and it boosts the performance of your laptop by 16%. And the overall temperature of the unit is decreased by 15%. So it doesn't sound that much, but in real day usage, actually it helps you a lot because it improves 24% in terms of frames per second when you're playing Destiny 2 or even PUBG, those simple games that you can play. You'll see the difference in terms of frame rate per second. The overall temperature of the unit will be lesser than what you are having right now compared to other pre-built desktops. So actually what's special about this model is that the G21 comes with a 2-year warranty for all its components inside. So for those end users who really likes to build their clone boxes, their white boxes, you don't have to worry anymore for different warranty of different vendors of the components inside their laptop, their desktops. So with G21, it's a worry-free, hassle-free 2-year warranty locally here in the Philippines with over 100 service centers in the Philippines. So they wouldn't be minding too much hassle when they encounter some problems. And if they do encounter a problem, it's covered by 2-year warranty and a 24/7 online support chat that they can contact using an application they can download from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. So in terms of availability, the G21 Huracan is already available in select ROG Concept Stores in the Philippines and will be rolling out also in other select Asus Concept Stores and other authorized resellers of ROG desktops.